Okay guys, so today we are going to see about unboxing the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless and router. So just now I have got this from Snapdeal. So this is the bill on the box that we have seen. So the bill on the box is seen. So as you can see, the price on the box is 1079 rupees. The price on the box is 1079 rupees, but at snapdeal.com I got it at a price of 996 rupees. I got it at a discount price. So now next I unbox this. I will try to unbox this package, the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless and router. Let you. It got little wet when coming from the package. As you can see in this wet package, this got little wet, but it's okay. So now I'm trying to remove this package. So it is a little bit pinned right now. I'll try to open it. Sorry, this was easier. I could open it by just cutting at the top. So on the top you can see this bill that I have got it. So as you can see this bill, so this is the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless and router, TL-WR841N model. So this is the retail invoice that I got with the package. This is the retail invoice that I got with the package. This is the retail invoice. This is the retail invoice that I got with the package. Now let's see the contents. What are the contents? So this is the content that I got with the package. So this is the content that I got with the package. So now I am going to remove the outer cover, the safety package, the safety polythene cover that is coming with this package. Now that I am going to remove. So now this is the box. Now this is the box that I got. So this is the wireless 300 Mbps wireless router that I have got. So now as you can see here, the speed of the wireless router is mentioned here, the 300 Mbps wireless router, and the model is mentioned here. The model is mentioned as TL-WR841N. So this is the model, model TL-WR841N. So since this is a box, we are going to have 6 sides. So I'm going to show you all the 6 sides. So this is the front facing of the box. So on the front facing of the box, so you can see here that this is a 300 Mbps with a 2.4 gigahertz band. With a 2.4 gigahertz band. So in this band we are going to In this band we are going to get the signal. So this is not a dual band, this is only a single band. Next, it also provides IPQoS bandwidth allocation. So this service is also provided, that is also mentioned here, IPQoS. So in this, so bandwidth allocation is done properly using this service, the IPQoS service. Now this also has a wireless bridge, the WDS wireless bridge, and it is Wi-Fi certified. So another important three things here. So we have here 3-year warranty for this period. That is also mentioned on the box itself. So you can see here that the 3-year warranty period is mentioned here. 3-year warranty is mentioned here. And we have 2 antennas with 5 dBA signal. So we have 2 antennas with 5 dBA signal. And there's also that sponsored ad is also provided. This is mentioning that it's one of the world's #1 product. So now let's see the back side. So this is the back side of the package. So on the back side of the package we can see what this product does. Typical network setup. So how do you set up this network? So what are the buttons that are included with this wireless router? What are the buttons that are included with the wireless router, that are also mentioned here. So yeah, there's also a table showing that which is the best wireless router for you. So which is suitable for you. So from this you can decide which router is best for you. Say for example, there are 4 number of wireless routers that are mentioned on this box, like TL WR741ND, WR740N. These are 150 Mbps speed routers. So the router that we have got is TL WR841N. So that router is its specifications are mentioned here. Its wireless speed is 300 Mbps, antennas are 2, range is better, and surfing and email and chat is okay. Like this, all the details are provided here. You can read over this box. Now we can go for, if you go for WR940N wireless router, okay. So this is a so we have also a TL WR940N router which has 3 antennas. So which has 3 antennas, and it also gives a 300 Mbps, but that is not the product that we are going to review. So the product that I am going to give you has some parameters. So these parameters are going to be better with a higher cost. So now let's see the sides. So the first side is here. You can see here the first side. The sides of the box here are. So as you can see here, it just has given you a simple configuration on how to install. Just an advertisement that just insert how to install. How to install is given over here. You just have to insert a CD and run the Easy Setup Assistant software that comes with the CD, and then you are fine to go. On the back package, on the next side we can see that the price of this wireless routers has been mentioned. The bill and the manufactured by, and also the original supplier has been mentioned. So as you can see here, the price is actually 2,799. So actually the price that is mentioned on this box is 2,799, but for me it has been got for 9,996 on Snapdeal.com. So the other supply details also mentioned, and it also the month and year of import. The month and year of import is mentioned as, has been mentioned as June 2015. So again the wireless routers model number has been mentioned here. The TL WR841N, that model number has been mentioned here. On the next side we can see the specifications of the wireless router. On the box, the specifications of the wireless router you can see. So it is the frequency range is 2.4. You have two fixed antennas. The internet connection, for what type of internet connections it is supported, like dynamic IP, static IP, etc. is being mentioned. Its advanced features are also mentioned here, and security protocols that it supports also mentioned here. Next, its system requirements are also mentioned over here. Its system requirements are also mentioned here, and it shows that it is Windows 8 compliant. It shows that it is Windows 8 compliant, and as I read the reviews on Snapdeal, it's also Windows 8.1 compliant. So let's check if it is Windows 1 compliant in our next video. But for now, on this specification, it shows that it is Windows 8 compliant. So next thing that we are going to see is that what is the version number of this box, of this wireless router. The version number of this wireless router is version 9.3. It is not version 9 or version 10. It is version 9.3. It is a version 9.3. Version 9.3. Continue. It is the version 9.3. So this model is the version 9.3. So now let's unbox it. So from this side we are going to unbox it. So let's see what are the contents. Let's see what are the contents here. So these are the contents of the box. So there is nothing inside else. So with this package we get a CD for installing and configuring our wireless router with the computer and for other devices. Next we have this piece of paper that is a GNU General Public General Notice. This paper is also got with this package. Next, there's a quick installation guide. So this quick installation guide is very useful. This quick installation guide is very useful for installing our wireless router. As you can see here, how the configuration can be done has been mentioned here clearly. So you can go through this manual if necessary. So this is the wireless router that we have got. The wireless router that we have that has been given with this package, and so we have the two fixed antennas here. So we have two fixed antennas. So I can see here. So we have the two fixed antennas. So this is the two fixed antennas that we have got. So this is the adapter that we have got with this wireless router package. So this is the wireless router package adapter. So this is the adapter that we have got. So there is a sufficient cable, like approximately it is 2 meters, around 2 meters cable it is got. And we have also got a LAN cable with an RJ45 connector, which is 1 meter length, which is in a 1 meter length. This is also given with this package.